Okay, lucky viewers, you're just about to see Crouch perform some absolutely amazing RC micro helicopter tricks. Alright, first I'm just going to take you around the room, show you that the room's empty. I'm here all by myself. Alrighty, there's the door. Door's closed, no one can come in, leave or enter. Alright, nobody here. Nobody over here. Nobody behind the lounge. Alright, nobody under the tables. Nobody in the kitchen. Alright, no one in the baby chair. Very good. Okay, just pop the camera down here for 1 second. Thank you very much, guys.